know that Apple will have a party next week. And we suspect we can see a surprise guest or two. The company's spring event, scheduled for March 27, will focus on education, according to the invitation circulated to the media last week. What it says: join us to hear new creative ideas for teachers and students. What has not been said: there is a possibility that we will see some new products, including new iPads. Of course, the iPad line had a quite complete makeover last year. In March 2017, Apple replaced the iPad Air 2 with the 9.7-inch entry-level iPad and discontinued the Mini 2. And in June, the Pros of 10.5 inches and 12.9 inches were revealed, leaving the diminutive iPad Mini 4, which received a minor update, the only representative of previous generations. Since the current Pro models are less than a year old, it is too early for Apple to play with them. And yet, several of the features that are rumored to come soon, including Face ID, would fit more naturally in Pro models more expensive than the entry-level iPad or Mini. Even so, if we are going to see new iPads in this event, we are more likely to see a renewed version of the iPad or the $329 Mini than a new and premium iPad Pro X. Of course, Apple has not officially confirmed that any iPad launch is imminent. All this remains speculative. The rumor mill does what it does,